So nice of you all to be here to greet us.
Uh-oh. I thought you were...
Gone? Destroyed? History?
Well, yeah.
Sorry to disappoint, girls, but I'm back in black. And needless to say, I'm in a mood.
Yeah, like that would have changed.
Never could keep your mouth shut, could you?
Who are they?
New friends I made down in the depths of the abyss. They don't say much, but they fight like the Dickens.
Yeah. Thank goodness you're here. Look, Lothor.
We know. Isn't it great?
Huh?
Capture them!
Gladly. Ready?
Ready.
Ninja Storm! Ranger Force! Power of Earth! Let's get him! Hot Blaster! Fire!
Sonic Fin!
Lion Hammer!
Time to bottle up my troubles once and for all.
Power down!
Huh? Going someplace, girls?
Hey, no, wait, us! We're family! Yeah,
Only by marriage.
yeah, but we can help. Yeah.
Like you did last time?
Yeah. No, seriously. We're ninjas now, and we can totally kick butt. Ow.
Well, you might have a point there. All right, you're in, but only on a trial basis. One screw-up, and you're gone.
Uh-huh.
Well, now that's taken care of. On to bigger things.
It's all right. What about the others? Cam will be looking for us.
Exactly. And when he finds you, it won't be very pretty, will it?
No, it won't.